What if the choices you made today created entirely different worlds where alternate versions of you exist? What if every what if you've ever wondered about actually played out in a parallel reality? This idea isn't just a whimsical notion for science fiction, it's a cornerstone of one of the most fascinating and mind-bending scientific theories ever conceived, the multiverse theory. But what is the multiverse, and why do so many scientists, philosophers, and thinkers believe in its possibility? Let's dive into this extraordinary concept, starting with the basics. At its core, the multiverse theory suggests that our universe is not the only one. Instead, it's one among countless other universes, each governed by its own laws of physics, constants, and events. Imagine a cosmic bubble bath, where each bubble represents a universe, including ours. Some bubbles might be nearly identical to ours, while others are utterly alien, with unimaginable differences. The term multiverse was first coined by philosopher William James in 1895, but it wasn't until the 20th century, with advancements in quantum physics and cosmology, that this concept gained traction in scientific circles. The multiverse theory is not a singular concept, it's an umbrella term encompassing several hypotheses, each presenting a unique way in which these multiple universes might exist. 1. The many worlds interpretation. One of the most famous theories supporting the multiverse is the many worlds interpretation, MWI, of quantum mechanics, proposed by physicist Hugh Everett in 1957. According to this interpretation, every time a quantum event occurs, say, when a particle's position or state is determined, the universe splits into multiple realities. Take Schrödinger's cat, the famous thought experiment, as an example. In one universe, the cat is alive. In another, it's dead. The many worlds interpretation suggests that both outcomes happen, but in separate universes. This means that every decision you make, whether to go left or right, drink coffee or tea, call someone or not, creates a branching pathway of parallel universes. While this idea may sound purely theoretical, quantum mechanics itself is a rigorously tested field. Phenomena like quantum superposition and entanglement lend credence to the possibility that multiple outcomes could coexist, albeit in separate realms. 2. Cosmic inflation and the bubble universe theory. In the realm of cosmology, the multiverse theory takes on another form, the bubble universe or eternal inflation model. According to this theory, proposed by physicist Alan Guth in the 1980s, the rapid expansion of the universe following the Big Bang wasn't a one-time event. Instead, it's an ongoing process, with different regions of spacetime inflating at different rates. Picture a balloon with small bubbles forming on its surface. Each bubble represents a separate universe, with its own unique properties. Some universes might resemble ours, while others could have entirely different laws of physics, where gravity doesn't exist, or time flows backward. The idea of eternal inflation has strong mathematical backing and aligns with observations of our own universe's rapid expansion. However, since these other bubbles exist outside our observable universe, detecting them poses a significant challenge. 3. The string theory landscape. String theory, a leading candidate for a theory of everything, also hints at the existence of multiple universes. String theory posits that the fundamental building blocks of reality aren't particles but tiny, vibrating strings of energy. The theory suggests that there could be as many as 10 to the power of 500 possible configurations of these strings, each corresponding to a different universe within the landscape of possibilities. In some of these universes, the fundamental forces, gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces, might be drastically different. This could result in universes where stars don't form, matter behaves differently, or life as we know it is impossible. Evidence and controversy. The multiverse theory, while fascinating, is not without its critics. One major challenge is the lack of direct evidence. Since other universes, by definition, exist outside our observable reality, proving their existence is incredibly difficult. However, some scientists argue that indirect evidence might emerge through anomalies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint glow left behind by the Big Bang. For example, in 2010, researchers analyzing data from NASA's Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, WMAP, discovered what they called cold spots in the cosmic radiation. Some hypothesize that these could be areas where our universe collided with another, leaving a subtle imprint. Despite its speculative nature, the multiverse theory has captured the imagination of many. Renowned physicists like Stephen Hawking, Brian Greene, and Max Tegmark have explored its implications in their work, emphasizing that even if the multiverse remains unprovable, it's a compelling framework for understanding the nature of reality. Why does the multiverse matter? the multiverse theory isn't just a scientific curiosity, it has profound philosophical implications. It challenges our understanding of existence, free will, and the uniqueness of our universe. If infinite versions of you exist, what does that mean for your choices and identity? And if our universe is just one of many, how special, or insignificant, are we in the grand scheme of things? Moreover, the multiverse could provide answers to some of the most puzzling questions in science. For instance, why does our universe seem so finely tuned for life? The anthropic principle suggests that we observe a life-friendly universe simply because we exist in one. In a multiverse, countless universes might exist without life, but we naturally find ourselves in one where life is possible. The multiverse is not a singular concept, it branches into distinct models, each supported by unique scientific theories and interpretations. Let's delve deeper into some prominent multiverse models and explore their implications for science, philosophy, and even our understanding of existence itself. 4. Quantum multiverse. The quantum multiverse stems directly from the principles of quantum mechanics. As previously discussed, the many worlds interpretation suggests that every quantum event spawns new branches of reality. However, to grasp the scale of this model, consider this: there are an estimated atoms in the observable universe. Now imagine every possible interaction between these particles creating new universes. The implications of this model are staggering. If every quantum decision leads to a new reality, there exists a version of you who made every conceivable choice differently. In one universe, you might have become a world-renowned scientist; in another, you might have taken an entirely different life path. Philosophically, this raises questions about fate and free will. If every decision spawns a new reality, does that diminish the significance of the choices we make? Or does it highlight the infinite potential of human existence? 5. Brain multiverse and higher dimensions. String theory introduces another intriguing possibility: the brain multiverse. In this model, our universe exists as a three-dimensional brain floating in a higher dimensional space. These brains can interact, and their collisions may even result in events like the Big Bang, giving rise to new universes. One of the most fascinating aspects of this model is the idea of parallel universes existing just millimeters away from us, but in dimensions we cannot perceive. Imagine standing next to another version of yourself, separated not by distance but by dimensional barriers. Scientists like Lisa Randall and Raman Sundram have explored these ideas, proposing that gravity might leak between brains, which could explain why it is so much weaker than other fundamental forces. While this model is still theoretical, advances in particle physics, such as experiments at the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, may one day provide indirect evidence for higher dimensions. 6. The simulation hypothesis. Although not a traditional multiverse theory, the simulation hypothesis proposes a radically different perspective on reality. Popularized by philosopher Nick Bostrom, this idea suggests that our universe might be a highly sophisticated simulation created by an advanced civilization. If true, the simulation hypothesis implies the existence of countless simulated realities, each designed with different parameters. In this sense, it aligns with the multiverse concept, as it posits multiple coexisting universes with their own unique characteristics. Supporters of this theory point to phenomena like the mathematical elegance of physical laws and the pixel-like nature of spacetime at the quantum level as potential evidence of a simulated reality. While highly speculative, the simulation hypothesis forces us to confront profound questions about the nature of existence and the possibility of a creator operating beyond our comprehension. 7. Observational challenges and the limits of science. One of the greatest challenges in studying the multiverse is the lack of direct observational evidence. By definition, other universes exist beyond the observable limits of our own, making them inaccessible to traditional scientific methods. However, scientists are finding creative ways to test these ideas indirectly. For example, anomalies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, such as unexpected patterns or cold spots, could hint at interactions between our universe and others. Similarly, advancements in quantum computing and particle physics might shed light on the underlying mechanics of reality, offering clues about the existence of other universes. Despite these efforts, skeptics argue that the multiverse theory risks straying into the realm of metaphysics. Without testable predictions, they claim, it remains more of a philosophical framework than a scientific theory. Proponents, however, counter that science has often ventured into the unknown, pushing the boundaries of what is observable and conceivable. The human connection: how the multiverse inspires us. Beyond its scientific implications, the multiverse theory resonates deeply with human imagination. It inspires countless stories, from comic book sagas like Marvel's Multiverse to films like Interstellar and Everything Everywhere All at Once. These narratives explore what it means to exist in a world of infinite possibilities, where every choice, every action, creates ripples across countless realities. But the multiverse isn't just a storytelling device, it's a lens through which we can view our own lives. It challenges us to think about our place in the cosmos, to question what it means to be unique, and to wonder about the vast, interconnected web of existence. As we explore the multiverse, it's impossible to ignore the profound philosophical and ethical questions it raises. What does the existence of infinite realities mean for concepts like morality, identity, and purpose? Let's unpack these ideas and consider their impact on our understanding of humanity and the universe. 1. The nature of identity. If infinite versions of you exist across countless universes, who are you, really? Are you defined solely by the decisions you make, or does your identity transcend the boundaries of these alternate realities? For instance, in one universe, you might be a celebrated leader, while in another, you could lead a simple, anonymous life. Multiverse challenges the notion of a singular self, suggesting instead that identity is fluid and multifaceted. This concept also invites us to consider the idea of oneness within the multiverse. If every version of you is fundamentally connected by a shared origin, does that mean we're all part of a larger, cosmic whole? Such ideas resonate with philosophical traditions like Buddhism, which emphasize interconnectedness and the illusion of separateness. 2. Morality in a multiverse. The multiverse complicates traditional notions of morality. If every possible outcome of your choices plays out in some universe, does it matter what decisions you make? Does the existence of alternate realities diminish the significance of your actions in this one? Some philosophers argue that the multiverse actually enhances the importance of moral responsibility. In a world of infinite possibilities, the decisions we make in this reality still shape the experiences of others and define our unique narrative. Rather than undermining morality, the multiverse emphasizes the value of living authentically and compassionately in the reality we inhabit. 3. The search for meaning. Perhaps the most profound question posed by the multiverse is, what does it all mean? If our universe is just one among countless others, is it insignificant, or does its very existence point to something greater? The multiverse doesn't diminish the beauty or importance of our reality. On the contrary, it highlights the extraordinary nature of existence itself. The fact that we can ponder these questions, explore the cosmos, and seek meaning in our lives is a testament to the uniqueness of human consciousness. Some scientists and philosophers suggest that the multiverse might even offer clues about the purpose of existence. If life is rare, or non-existent, in other universes, our existence in this one becomes all the more remarkable. Conversely, if life thrives across the multiverse, it points to a cosmic tendency toward complexity and creativity. 4. Humanity's place in the cosmos. The multiverse theory invites us to reimagine our place in the cosmos. It humbles us, reminding us that our universe is just one small part of an unimaginably vast reality. At the same time, it inspires awe at the incredible richness and diversity of existence. For scientists, the multiverse represents the next frontier, a challenge to push the boundaries of knowledge and understanding. For the rest of us, it's a reminder that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we can imagine. A closing thought: the infinite possibilities of reality. As we conclude our journey through the multiverse, we're left with more questions than answers. But perhaps that's the beauty of it. The multiverse theory encourages us to embrace curiosity, to marvel at the mysteries of existence, and to consider the infinite possibilities that lie beyond the limits of our perception. So, what do you think? Could the multiverse be real? And if it is, what does it mean for you, for humanity, and for our understanding of the universe? Share your thoughts in the comments below. After all, in some universe, your ideas might just change the course of history.